Hello, everybody. So for those of you who may not be familiar with who I am, my name is Lenekka Portis. I am the inventor of Clever Cabinets LLC. These are smart talking cabinets that I invented to efficiently enhance the way we file inventory and the way we track inventory management. And this can be done on a commercial level as well as a consumer or personal level, which would include many different types of products, which is very intuitive. So what I wanted to do was get on here today and do a video and let you guys watch me scan in a couple of products. And that way, just to keep you in the loop and keep you alert as to how the product would function and work once it's ready for purchase. So I'm gonna bring the camera a little closer so you can see. Right here, I currently have the main dashboard of the device open. From the main dashboard, you could get a preview of what's in your cabinets database. These are some items that I kind of like pre-scanned in already, just kind of playing with the device just to see how the images would look when they would come up. So here you'll see a little button or bar that says Open Clever Cabinet. If you select that, you would be able to get a more in-depth look of your personal items that you scanned into your Clever Cabinet database here. And so I'm going to go to my settings and I'm going to turn on
voice switching notification reminder.
So I did that a little too fast, but I was turning on my voice assistance.
Voice assistant turned off. Voice assistant turned on.
So now I'm going back to the main dashboard. And so if you were to scan in a new product that's not already stored within your cabinets database, you would select the little button or the area here that says Scan Item.
Opening scanner. Please press the scan button on the barcode scanner to scan product.
So as the device is guiding you through and talking you through how to store in or scan in your product, you would get the product that you want to scan in. And for this video, I'm going to scan in this well-known product, these honey-made graham crackers. I've located my barcode on this product. It's on the bottom of the box. I'm going to scan that in.
Scan, press the button to insert product.
So as you can see, immediately once I scanned in that barcode on my graham cracker box, it automatically populates a picture of that product. It populated the barcode number at the top here, as well as a brief description of what my product is and the product name. Beneath that, you have a calendar for the current date that's showing you when you're scanning in this product and things like that. And directly underneath the picture item of the product, you have a button that says Save to Cabinet. In that feature, that's where you will store in the item or the product that you're scanning into the database. So I'm going to hit that button. And as I scroll through, it automatically takes me back to the main dashboard of the device. And as I scroll down, there is my graham cracker product that I just scanned into the device. Nabisco honey-made graham crackers or graham cookies. It's showing multiple times because I did a practice scan or a practice run of the product earlier because I wanted to see how the picture would show up. That's another thing I really love about my product. When a product or item is scanned in, look at how nice and clear those pictures show up on screen so that you can see what you're scanning in. This is especially good for people with vision problems that may not be able to see as well. You have a nice clear picture of the product. And in most cases, let me just say this as a disclaimer. The picture will populate if a picture image of that product is embedded based on whatever is encoded or input within that product's barcode. So in some cases, a picture may not always populate, which that has nothing to do with my product. That's just what's based on whatever's encoded or embedded into that product barcode, and if someone has loaded a picture image of that barcode or that product. So I just wanted to say that as a disclaimer. So here on the product or back on the user interface or the main dashboard. I showed you can go in and look more in depth at the products you've scanned in. I can also open my grocery list.
Opening grocery list.
I can sort by multiple ways.
Add a reminder.
I can add notification reminders.
Opening cabinet.
Opening my cabinet.
Sort by category.
These are my categories for now that I have programmed in that you can sort through your database or your personal inventory, because this is something that you will personalize to make this your personal smart talking cabinet database or inventory that you keep once it's available for purchase. So again, just want to show you guys that I have one more product that I'm going to scan that I want you guys to look at. And these are York peppermint patties. Another well-known product. I really like these. One of my favorite candies. So for this item, I'm going to do the process again so you can see it. I'm going to go to scan item.
Opening scanner.
Again,
please press the scan button on the barcode scanner to scan product.
You have that voice tutorial to tell you what to do. And I thought that was really nice to add as a feature for some people that just may need that extra guidance and help with new products. We all do. So I thought that would be really helpful. So on this product, my barcode is on the back. Gonna scan in my product.
Scan, press the button to insert product.
Again, I love that clear picture. It told me what I have, my miniatures chocolate candy. I have my barcode that populated. It's showing me the date I scanned all this in, which is today, October the 1st, 2022. I'm going to save that to my cabinet. As I scroll down, there's my peppermint candy right there. So again, Clever Cabinets LLC. These are smart talking cabinets that I'm working on, constantly adding new features to make this even more intuitive than what it already is, so that this will be beneficial and useful to everybody or whoever chooses to use it for a very, very, very long time. I have so many unique ideas that I'm working on adding to this. It's really going to be really nice once it's officially ready for purchase. This is my proof of concept. I'm really, really proud to say that I am the inventor of Clever Cabinets LLC, the not only smart talking cabinets, but the first smart talking cabinet. I'm very, very proud to say that I have my patent and trademark that was granted by the United States Patent and Trademark Office, as well as my state registered trademark for my product. And that's for retail purposes once it's officially ready for me to start putting it out there to sell. So I'm extremely happy and excited about that. As I have more updates and features, I will notify everyone as much as I possibly can. But again, Clever Cabinets LLC, Smart Talking Cabinets. I am the inventor, Lenekka Portis. Website is www.clevercabinetsinmotion.com. Again, that website is www.clevercabinetsinmotion.com. So stay tuned for more updates.